Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, before I say what we're going to do, make sure to like and subscribe and click that bell. We need a lot of likes and subscribers and clicking that bell. There's a bell somewhere in the corner. There. I'm just so happy that we're doing this. So, we are making brownies, and here's the directions. Gluten-free crusties brownies. We are gluten-free, so we're using some crusties gluten-free brownies. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
I gotta ask you a question.
Okay. Yeah.
Dadderino. Was the cinnamon swirl.
That we made last week?
Yes. Crusties? I
It
bet
was. It was.
So, Crusties, thank you for watching, if you are. And and Crusties is at Publix, of course. So,
and probably other grocery stores too.
maybe.
Or they can probably find it online too.
Yeah, online. Because of COVID right now. This crazy vaccine. We need a vaccine. This crazy thing is going around. Okay, so we're making brownies, and I'm in the Girl Scouts, and I'm like on the second level because I'm in second grade. So I'm a brownie in Girl Scouts, and we're making brownies. Whoop, whoop. Oh, heat. 325 Fahrenheit.
All right.
That's a lot. I don't think I could count to 325. I counted to 1,000 once, but it took almost the whole night.
What comes before 325?
324? Can you answer that? Definite yes. Crusties. I showed on the back already. And if you didn't get to read, I'll show you this for a couple long minutes. Just gonna heat, stir, and bake. Heat oven to 325, and the marker's just filled. Stir water, oil, eggs, and brownie mix. Bake to 48 to 52 minutes. Yeah. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Can it be 1, 2, 3? As easy as ABC. Was that Michael Jackson?
Yes.
Well, that's crazy. The Jackson family sang that song. Can I cut it? Oh, never mind. Can I pour it?
Yep.
Ooh, there's little pieces of chocolate in it. Chocolate chips in it. It smells so good. I just want to eat it already. 1 egg from a chicken. An egg from a chicken is very hard to get because the chickens are like, "That's my baby." The egg.
All right.
I can't do it when I'm smiling. I'm using a spatula to get everything down there. Just get on me. Hope it didn't. These are really special. But we can always wash it off. But I prefer not to because I love wearing these things. I've been wearing them for a couple of days. Sorry, it's not Saturday, but it's Sunday. So, maybe a couple hours after church. Yeah, a couple hours after church. Maybe 2 hours after church, and we've just been relaxing, and now we're doing this! Isn't it exciting? The recipe calls for 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, but I think we'll do olive oil. 1/3 cup of water. Whoa, it's dripping. Get all of it wet.
Perfect.
Out of there. My little secret about these brownies is I put a little bit of vanilla extract maybe a tad more. Okay, last week, I don't know if it's all the way on still. Is it all the way on? Yeah, I bet it is. Wow. Or can I leave it on too?
Yeah.
Can it be on? Ah! I'm just so excited. It looks delicious. Yeah, just cleaning up the whisk a little bit. First, start doing the stirring. It clumps up a little bit in the middle.
Oh yeah, that's good speed.
Cut that out. Oh, yes, last night we went to Chick-fil-A, so let me show you my toy we got. It's from my kids' meal from Chick-fil-A. So let's ask the first card. The front of the cards look like this. Okay. If you won a trip around the world, who would you take with you?
Ooh, good question. Who would you take with you, Lucy?
Daddy.
I like it. Where are we going to go?
Every single place in the whole entire world. It'll take a couple years, or maybe year, 2 years. Now I'm going to tell you the next question. It's just hard to get out because I'm so happy. No on my hands. Garlic. Don't like the smell. What's your favorite smell in nature? Oh yeah, that's the trees and grass. We're going to use this 8x8 glass pan. So yeah, let's show you what we use to spray the pan with. It's called olive oil cooking spray. Spray in this thing so we don't get the spray anywhere. Ahoy there! Perfect. Okay. It's at 10! Turn it off, which we did. And we're going to lift it up. I'm going to let my dad put the brownie mix in the pan while I like the whisk. I like cooking with Krusties because I'm gluten-free, but y'all can use whatever y'all want. Even if you're not celiac, it's worth to eat Krusties, even when it's not cooked yet. Okay, this is the brownie. We're in Nashville, but if you're cooking in a high elevation like in Denver, you might need to use some cornstarch.
What's the best part about making brownies, Lucy?
Licking the spatulas and whisks and fingers. And getting your hands dirty. Getting your hands dirty. That old phrase, like working hard and have some fun. We'll be back after the brownie mix cooks for 54 minutes because it's. So we're ready. Wait, last week you didn't see that I lost 2 teeth. So I lost this tooth that's already growing in, and I lost this tooth that's just not growing in. So the house doesn't set on fire. Feel the run of love.
All right,
Feel
Lucy.
the light when
There it is.
We'll be back in 10 minutes to taste it. So in any cake, my favorite part is not the middle, not the edge, well, kind of the edge, but the, whatever.
Corner?
The corner. I forgot what it's called. Wow, we made a mess. I'm happy. Thank you so much, Krusties. And Publix. And all the other stores that sell Krusties stuff. My mom and dad shop at Publix. So let's try it. It's amazing. It's great. So, so good.
Is there anything better than brownies with milk?
No.
I can think of one thing. Brownies with milk with my daughter.
That's way better than brownies with milk. Like and subscribe and click that bell. Crazy crew, because we're usually wackadoo.